Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a vehicle. It's a car, so private car, usually very small transportation system used for the families and other transports. Let's draw the roof and the front part. As you can see here, I'm drawing right now, and the window here in the middle. All right, so this is the light for the mirror. With this mirror we can see the back of the car if any vehicle is coming nearer or trying to pass, and the window in the back looks like this. All right, so let's extend the front part here and draw the headlight like elliptical shape. Then under it we extend the straight line. This is the fog light under the headlight, and you can see the bumper and the cover of the wheel coming the same time here. Now we can draw the wheel. It's a circular in shape. As you know, everything is progressing step by step. After one step is complete, we're going to move for the second step. So there's a alloy ring here for the wheel. That's why we're going to put a smaller circle inside it. Okay. So this is the cover. Then another cover I'm seeing here. Alright, let's draw a bigger circle. This is the rear wheel. Let's draw another smaller circle inside that one and the center point. Now we're going to draw the alloy ring here. This is the few details that's called the must do items, and a bumper in the back. Let's extend this bumper here. All right, and for the backside bonnet we extend the line like this, and a backlight bulb here, and extend it here. Now we can put a door on the front and for the back. And the details looks like this, and two handles here. As you can see, the drawing is going to nice and is in a very good progress. Okay, so under the ground we draw like this. All right, now let's put a color for the car here. The colors we're going to put here has to be the uniform all over the body of the vehicles. We just leave the areas of the headlights and other places. Only the body we're going to make colors. Okay. So you can see here the body part. As you can see, let's do the front part. Okay, so for the bumper we're going to put a darker color under it. Let's put a same color, monochromic or the same color tone, to show a uniform outlook from the outside appearance. So the covers over the wheel is almost done. The metal alloy, it looks like same color tone in the middle. Okay, so the color is in progress. Now let's put the black color for the tire. We're going to complete the wheel first, then we'll start doing color the glass and the lights. Alright, so the front wheel is complete. We're going to move to the rear wheel here. This is going to be a very nice drawing. Alright, let's do the color for the lights, headlights, backlight, these two parts, and the mirror. Okay. So the color is almost done, and the glasses are going to be blue, so let's put the blue color here. Also we put few blue colors here. Okay, now we can use the crayon color to show the ground under the car. Alright friends, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. You can do the practice at home. All you need to do is to do practice again and again for the more perfection. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Have a good day.